In this episode of I Tried It, we are going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $10.20 every 5 minutes with a simple trick that nobody's using. In this video, we are going to walk through the process of this content creator, what they say we should do. We are going to implement it ourselves, and then I'm going to reveal my results. And then at the end of this video, we are going to talk about some other options that are potentially better. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if this method works and if you should do something else. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this side hustle that claims that we can make $10.20 really simple in just 5 minutes or so. So basically what this content creator says that we should do is we should go over to CPA Grip, find some CPA offers for Spanish or different languages, and then we're going to promote them in different places. One of the places that he recommends is to promote it on Twitter, and so that's exactly what I did. So let's take a look at what I did, because I basically copied what he did, and if I got any results. So as we look at my screen here, you can see I'm over at CPA Grip. What he recommends that we do is go over to Offer Tools. We're going to click on My Offers. And then he recommends that we go and find offers that are in Spanish. Now, I'm not sure why he wants us to do Spanish, but apparently Spanish is such a great opportunity in 2023. Now, what he does is he says, well, we want to sort by payout because we want to get paid the most. One of the biggest problems with this opportunity and any opportunity that tells you to use CPA Grip is they will tell you to just sort by payout. In fact, this one right here is the one that he recommends. I'm going to scroll down. And he says that we'll get paid $10.27. Okay. The next step is you're going to simply join this offer. You're going to click on this image, and then you are going to copy this link, and then you are going to make a Linktree account. As you can see, that's exactly what I did. You're going to have 3 links, one for desktop, one for Android, and one for Apple. As you can see, that's exactly what I did. If we come back over here, one of the things that very few people actually talk about when it comes to these CPA offers is the actual earnings per click. Now, this is really important when you are looking for an offer. And earnings per click is, as you can see here, it is the amount of money that you'll make per click. So while it says the payout is $10.27, most marketers can expect to see about 40 cents or 4 cents, with the earnings per click for these offers. That's really important to know. In general, you want to find offers that are at least at minimum $1 EPC or $1 earnings per click. And if you do the math on it, you'll see that in order to achieve the $10.27, and I'm just going to pull the math up here so that you can see it, $10.27, and you divide that by 0.04, you need 256 clicks approximately in order to make the $10.24 approximately. And so, this is important to know, because if you are just counting on getting traffic magically falling out of the air, in most instances, you're going to need at least 256 clicks. Most likely, you're going to need much more than that, okay? The EPC is the average earnings per click. It is not a hard and fast rule. Some people will find that one person, that unicorn that clicks on everything and enters in their information, and their EPC is going to be much higher. But for most people, because when you think about averages, it's usually skewed by the outliers. For most people, it's going to take more than 256 clicks, okay? So that's really important to know when you're getting into any offer for affiliate marketing, not just CPA, but any offer. Hell, even on ClickBank, you can take a look and find some offers that have a $1 or $2 EPC. That is, in most instances, going to be better than doing something like this. Anyway, we're back over here on CPA Grip. As you can see here, you go ahead and you create your Linktree account, and you're going to do 2 things. You are going to create tweets, and another method is to use paid advertising. I didn't want to spend any money on this paid advertising simply because I've never seen this site before, and there's so much junk out there. I didn't want to put my credit card information on something that could be a little sketchy. But what he says that we should do is we should create tweets. Okay, we are going to post tweets, and that's exactly what I did. Now, I actually took this a step further. what I did is I went over to ChatGPT because I don't know Spanish. In fact, I failed Spanish a couple times in high school and in college. What I did is I went over to, let's see if I can find. Oh, I went over to ChatGPT and I typed in this question: answer questions as an expert in social media. Create a list of 10 tweets promoting your get free access to the latest hits here in Spanish. And so what I did is I actually used ChatGPT to teach me Spanish. And then at the end, I put in my Linktree link. And I'll let you guess right now. So I'm going to hold on 1 second. How well do you think this offer worked? Okay, so hopefully you've had time to put in your yay or nay. Did it work? It did not work. And before I show you my results, I just wanted to show you what the original content creator is doing with this method that he's saying he's doing. Okay, if we look at this is his account here. He has one post from February 19th of this is the method that he's saying that he's doing. This one post has 185 views. That doesn't mean he got any clicks. It means he had 185 views. Now, if we do the math here, we see that 256 clicks is needed to approximately get to that number that we saw here. And so most likely he has not earned money from this thing. Most likely. I can't say obviously with 100% certainty, but most likely he did not earn anything. And so what I did over the span of yesterday is I tweeted these tweets from ChatGPT. And if we look at this is my account here, Music Lovers 1984. I am following two people because you have to follow Elon Musk and one other person in order to get this verified. I joined March 2023, as you can see. My video or my post that I uploaded 9 hours ago, 5 views, 5 views, 3 views, 3 views, 6 views, 8 views. Okay, so knowing that, you can probably guess that I didn't make any money with this effort or this opportunity. I think I had a total of 3 clicks. If I look at my statistics, I have a total of 3 clicks from March 3rd, which is yesterday. And of course, I did not make any money. And I think these 3 clicks are my clicks. I do not recommend this as an opportunity at all. This will not work. You will spend more time. You will definitely spend more than 5 minutes doing this because you have to keep posting to increase your chances. But this method does not work. It will not work for you. You will be wasting your time and energy trying to get this to work. What is a better opportunity? Before I talk about some better opportunities, because I think literally anything's a better opportunity than this at this point. The reason why I do these videos is a few reasons. One, this is something that I would have tried 5, 6, 7 years ago because I was looking for anything to work. I was looking for any way to make money online, and I would stumble across a video that claims that we can make $10 every 5 minutes. You do the math, you're making basically a full-time income in one day if you keep it up. And so I would try these methods and I would get frustrated that they didn't work. I would think there was something wrong with me when it's actually wrong with this business opportunity or side hustle. Two, people will then say, hey, Alston, why do you keep doing these same videos? Well, number one, there are new people coming online every single day that don't know that this opportunity doesn't work. And my hope and my expectation is that my video will show up next to this video, and they actually see my video and see, okay, that it doesn't work. And so really, I'm in a win-win situation, quite honestly. One, if this method does work, I have another income stream. I could hire somebody to just post my tweets, or I could find a scheduler that posts my tweets on autopilot. If it doesn't work, it gives me a nice story to talk about. And that leads me to what you should do. Okay. What I recommend that you do is pick a niche. Any niche will work, and test what people are telling you to do. If you're in the makeup niche and they're giving you a makeup tutorial, record yourself doing that makeup tutorial and then put it on the internet. Again, I tried it. People love to see a journey. They love to see a story. And so if you can put a story together that's compelling and that's helpful, people will follow you. That's how I gained like 20,000 followers in January. It was insane. I had more new followers in January than I had currently. So, quite a shift. Thank you for everyone that has followed me. But find an audience, find a group of people that you want to talk to, create content where you are testing things that gurus and large content creators are telling you to do. Again, it's a win-win situation. Either it works, the makeup tutorial on how to get blush or whatever it may be, either it works and you can provide kudos to that original content creator, or it doesn't work and people love the drama and people love the storytelling. So if you're looking for a better opportunity, especially with this, literally anything else will be better. But I am a huge fan of you creating unique original content in 2023. That is the best way. It's really the only way for you to be successful and to make money online. So if you're wondering what should you do, I'm telling you to do this. Find a target audience, find an audience that you want to talk to. There are millions of people out there, billions of people out there that you can talk to, whether it's in sports and you want to talk about pickleball, whether it's in makeup or even make money online, or you're testing these different side hustles. Go for it. Then you create content. You find a large YouTuber, you find a large TikToker, and you put what they're telling you to do to test. You test it. And then you just simply create videos on what you find. Now, you might get 5 views the first time. Okay, the first time I tried this I Tried It series, it wasn't a wild hit. It was something that I had to continuously do over and over again. The more I did it, the better I got, and the more people that saw it. And when you do that, when you create content, it will increase your chances of being successful. Create unique original content and try different ideas within your niche. There are people that are telling you to do weird things in every single niche. You test them out as long as it's safe for work and doesn't put you in danger, and you can be successful online. So that's my recommendation. Don't try this method. It's not going to work. It's not going to make you any money, or the amount of time and effort that you put in will not be worth it in the very end. What you should do, regardless of your age, regardless of your location, regardless if you have a weird accent or not, go out and create unique original content and help somebody solve a problem. Now that you have heard my little rant and you see that this method doesn't work, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.